It is our time. It is our time more than it's ever been before, Morris. And the Moorish horde is going to increase. That's why you see the membership across the country just growing and growing and growing. And we have study groups manifesting periodically. And we're going to get more. We're going to reach as many of our people as we can. Because this blessing we have is for them too. You know, it's for them too. Just like it was for us. Because one time we didn't know. I was one of them, I didn't know. I thought I was a hardcore Jehovah's Witness. I did. And God said, till I got opened up. I didn't know I was close till I got opened up. All them pictures in the wake of Europeans with hair you could fling back like that. I said, Mother, where's the men with the hair that's in knotty rolls? And what about them? Don't they exist? Don't worry about that. That don't matter. It does matter. You want to see somebody look like you, don't you? You want to have your own heroes, right? If I was Chinese, Jesus would look like a Chinese. He would have the slant eyes and everything. Yeah. I want to see somebody that I like that look like me. Instead of you making them to look like you, and that you're so far away from that. That ain't you. But today I'm blonde. $2021. What's the big street you got here in big long street we went down? Cotton Avenue? Yeah, that street, that long street we went down. Or Lake Shore. You catch a European like Kenny Loggins, with long blonde hair. That's true. I always say this is true. Put a toga on him. Or just put a sheet on him, just a sheet, a white sheet. And a cup. Tell him, just stand there with the cup. Don't smile, don't say nothing. Just everybody gonna put something in that cup. Because you know what they're gonna say? He looked like Jesus. That's Jesus. Go give Jesus some money. Now if he open up his mouth, say, you put something in this cup, you get a blessing. Then the money gonna start pouring in. Because we have this, unfortunately, we have this association, this physical association with reality. That's not reality. What did the prophet say about money? He said, money doesn't make a man. He said, free national standards and power make a man in a nation. Make a man in a nation. How many, raise your hand if you ever been around millionaires? A whole lot of them. You can smell that money, can't you? You walking around there. Yeah, you can smell that money. You can smell money. I'll tell you about China, right? When I was in Guangzhou, at a business meeting in a restaurant, 5-star restaurant, everything linen, top flight. When I walked there, I got there before everybody else, 6 in the morning. And I said, oh, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. It's like, all right, well, bang. What do you have? I smelled money. I smelled crispy money. They had 100 flat screen TVs in there, top of the line. And the clothes they were wearing was money clothes. You can tell they had money. And I told you before, I said, I don't belong here. I had to get myself together mentally because of my visual perception. I said, yes, I do belong here. I'm supposed to be here, man. Ah, dang, I'm supposed to be here. I had a little hump, a vicious hump in my back like this. And when I realized I was supposed to be here, I gave myself some straightening. I gave myself some, I said, I'm supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be here with all y'all. That's what I'm supposed to be. You think like you feel. I'm so glad to be a Moorish American Muslim. When I walk into a restaurant, I'm walking like this. Because in my mind, I'm saying that the trumpets are blowing. The red carpet is rolling down the middle of the street. A Moorish American is here. He is here. Yeah. Because the prophet said, if you have race pride, and that's race pride. Man, I'm proud to be who I am. Get back, Jack. Sit down. I'm proud to be who I am. You can't never mess with me. The playing field is evil. It's even. This is our time, boys. We need to educate as many of our people as we can, to get them to realize that they have a pleasant piece of pie that they can enjoy in this lifetime. They don't have to die of past form to be in a heavenly state of mind. Because many of our people still got that mentality in their mind. Well, ain't nothing gonna be nice to me till I die and go in Peter's pearly gates and oh yeah, the horn's gonna be blowing. No, you're gonna be in a troposphere or a stratosphere. It is cold up there. You gotta have a spacesuit on to get up there. You do. The higher you go to troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. You go to all them spheres because you're in the atmosphere now. It's cold up there. Cold. The human body can't stand it. So what are you going up there talking about Peter's pearly gates?